This is DJI Neo to Fly More combo, and today I'll show where you can find all the serial numbers of this drone. So to start, you will need to launch settings, then go into About section, scroll down and look for the serial number. Collapse this field and it will contain, or it will have, all the serial numbers that you should practically saying ever need to know. So here we have the aircraft SN, flight controller SN, camera serial number, battery serial number, digital transceiver serial number, and remote controller serial number too. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.